So try these on your own first, doing the 0-4 factoring trinomials intro worksheet. So try them on your own and then come back to these videos and I'll show you how we can go through these together. So if you're stuck on those, you can come back to this video. So we have x squared plus 4x minus 12. So how I'm going to set this up is, I know my top left hand corner is going to give me the x squared. The bottom right hand corner is going to give me the constant 12, and the plus 4x, and this is a key, the plus 4x is split between this area and this area. So we have to combine to get positive 4x. So we know that this area has to be x squared, so it's got to be an x by x, and this area on the bottom right hand corner has to be a product to give us negative 12. So that means that one has to be negative and one has to be positive. And we can ask ourselves, what two numbers multiply to negative 12? When we combine them, we're going to get an area of plus 4x. Okay, so that's our key. We're looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 12 and add to positive 4x. So if I have 6x, which gives us a 6 here, and minus 2 here, which gives us a minus 2x here, those combine to give us the positive 4x middle term. So when we combine like terms, there's our positive 4x. So once we have that, we now have our length and width, which matches the area. So our area here, x squared plus 4x minus 12, can be found using a length of x minus 2 and a length of x plus 6. And we can check this out by distributing this all out. So as I go to the next one, our x squared this is our x and x. The plus 12 is down here. And we have to figure out, how do we get 7x's from these two areas? So the 7x, we can ask ourselves, what two numbers multiply to give the area of 12, because those are our factors, and how add to 7. So I can test my factors of 12. 1 and 12 doesn't work. 2 and 6, that adds up to 8. 3 times 4, that will add up to the 7x's. So if I put 4 up here, 3 here, there's my 3x, there's my 4x. I can check my factoring. So if there's a greatest common factor of 4 along this line, greatest common factor of x along this line, greatest common factor of x along this line, and greatest common factor of 3 along that line. So that confirms that I have the right side lengths, and I now have the correct sides that multiply to give us this area. So side lengths then are going to be x plus 4 is one side, x plus 3 is the other side, and the area, this matches the area of x squared plus 7x plus 12.